welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 12, the flue pipe and flue riser pipe safety inspection. So as we've talked about before, this flue pipe carries all the exhaust fumes out of your home. It starts here at your inducer motor, runs up through the cabinet of the furnace, goes to your ceiling, goes through your attic, and then out to your roof. So there's several places that we need to check to make sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to do. One, we want to check on the roof and make sure that all the exhaust fumes can get out easily. No birds have built nests, no roofers have stepped on something, maybe a tree branch fell on it, and stop the exhaust fumes from getting out. We want to check in your attic and make sure that around the roof there's no burn or scorch marks, and around the ceiling where the pipe comes through the ceiling that we don't have any burn or scorch marks. Then we want to inspect the flue pipe back from the ceiling all the way back here to this inducer motor. Again, we want to make sure there's no white ash or soot buildup in there. There's no rust from condensation. We just want to make sure it's a nice, clean, good-looking pipe. One of the big things with this flue pipe is the inducer motor. So what this does is it pulls air through this way and forces it out through the roof, almost like a turbo on a car. This inducer motor is metal. So is the one in this piece of equipment. If something's going on with the flue pipe and it's not exhausting properly, and we're not removing the exhaust fumes and putting them outside the way we're supposed to, let's say you don't have an inducer that is not metal. Maybe you have one that's plastic like this. This plastic inducer motor will split because it gets too hot. Then we are compromising our exhaust system to go out of the house. We don't want to have an exhaust leak here that's directly into your home. So again, it's very, very, very important that every year before you use your equipment that you get it inspected. A tune-up is a great way to start. You can get us out for the 28-point tune-up, have us go through the whole piece of equipment, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to, and then you get annual maintenance done thereon and make the equipment run better, last longer. We don't want you to have to overpay PG&E. We already pay them enough. Why pay them more? You can have maintenance done, pay them less. It's super important to check it out. Make sure everything in there is the way it's supposed to. Your home and your health is the utmost important to us. See you on the next video.